Screen sharing stuffs here. Oh, so it's 3 months free na lang. It's not 6 months free. Let me try everything. Accept 3 months free. It's 3 months na lang. Noon, 6 months to eh. Thank you po. Thank you po sa heart me. Ay, si Mama pala nag-send dun. Let's subscribe. Let's subscribe. Enter the password. Hindi ka na, Mama. Hindi ka na dito. You always have me. You always have me. Wait lang po, All my demons have your smile. 218. Let me just fill this up. Option. Postcode. City. Are we still Makati or Taguig? Meron kasi mga sites na nasa Makati pa rin kami belong. Meron din naman sa Taguig na. Country. Of course. Metropolitan. Ang linaw man o. Tisyo. Area code. What's that? 63? 2163. Yeah. Edit. Hi, Kuya Roms! Kaka-live lang po. Halos kaka-live lang. Thank you, Elsa. Thank you, Kuya Roms. Card. Should I go with card or cash G? Wait lang guys ha. Ano ko lang to. Cash G. Or should I cash G na lang. Bakit hindi pa kayo natutulog? The city of angels. Paano kaya ito? Kasi alam ko mag-live kayo. Talaga ba Kuya Rose? Legit, fur. NGL, STG. Honor, I can't even escape this. Sige ako na yan. Tree. Okay na ba to? %100% HD. Like legit, Kuya Roms. Tinatesting ko lang to eh. Yung bago. Maganda pala talaga siya. Orderan mo ako food. Grabe ka naman, mag-abala ka pa. Sana nga, ako nga Kuya Roms, hindi pa ako kumakain eh. Charot. Joke lang. Joke lang, umiinom na ako ng lemonades. Let's search. Tala. Lost you. Ay, bakit hindi pa? Joke lang, kumain na ako, Kuya Roms. Unti. Kanina.
While I'm on sunset, are you on the subway? While I drive, are you getting
nyo?
on the L train? Mean Manhattan's nice,
Hindi ko sure, Kuya
but
Roms
so
eh, pero baka
Malibu
later.
nights. You would know
Ayaw
if
ko
you
si kumana
stay.
dito, tinry ko dito.
You would know if you put up a fight. Your toes turn blue in winter. I'm getting red.
Tinry ko mag-connect na ano. Pero pag sa Mac kasi pala, hindi siya nag-ano.
Missing a drunken 2 a.m. strolls and
Kapag
kids.
Mac, hindi
Now
rin
you're
kaya
chasing
ng
fake highs in the
cast
Upper
ng
West
game.
Side.
Hindi niya kaya mag-cast ng game.
Fucking on Brooklyn's in Brooklyn.
Yes po, hello po.
Chelsea's in Chelsea. Hope that eases the pain. So you remember to miss
Sa sound trip
me.
tayo, sound
And you
trip.
sold your car. Now you walk for miles, but your feet feel numb. Cross rocks and my mind are shaky, so please hold on tight. All my demons run wild. All my demons have your smile. In the city of angels. In the city of angels. Hope New York holds you. Hope it holds you like I do. While my demons stay faithful. In the city of angels. Summer's ending now and the nights are cooling down. Remember last winter when we would drive around Silver Lake, Hollywood. Pretty little white lights got me good. Thought this was love, I was misunderstood. Feeling low on the low.
Ilan po tayo?
Driving through no hope. If I'm honest, I call, but I'm trying to let go. And I hope you're happy, living life in taxis. But you'll always have me. You'll always have me. All my demons run wild.
What's that?
All my demons have your smile. In the city of angels. In the city of angels. Hope New York holds you. Hope it holds you like I do. While my demons stay faithful. In the city of angels.
Oo, yun talaga yung purpose ng Kuya Roms kasi para hindi ako hindi ako naririnig kumanta. Para kapag pumiyok ako or kapag amazing, ganon. Wait lang, may sound effects dito. Magbigay tayo sound effects. Clap. Isa pa. Laughter. Diba? Cheers! Cheers! Legit ba? Ay! Oo nga. One pa po. One pa kuya. One pa. Tagal pa. Matagal pa. Kailangan pang one pa. Ano na ba ngayon? Kaya pa pala. All my demons have your smile. In the City of angels, in the city of angels. Guys, ang ganda ng quality ng camera, no? Hindi ko na kailangan bumili ng webcam or whatever. So, ayun lang. May papakita ako sa inyo. Ay, hello po. Thank you po for the follower. Ay, wala pala dito yon. Nasa isa kong ano ata. Hi po, nasa isa kong atang phone. Wait lang. Oh my goodness. Gusto ko na i-edit to eh. Hello po, yes po. I-edit ko sana to sa bago kong laptop, kaya lang. Ang dami kong ano. Feel ko pagod na pagod ako today. Wala naman ako masyadong ginawa. Siya. Nang ano niya, kuya? What's that? What's that? Home. Try nga natin. Lagay tayo today's hits. What's that? Funny. Hello po, thank you for the follower. Add souls. Let me check. Add souls.
I know
And then,
that bar closes at 11. I hope you never finish that beer. You know all the words to Just Like Heaven.
saan yun kuya mahanap? Where can I find that? Thank you po sa love you. I love you more, guys. Bakit kanyang boses ko pangit? You probably should send ko na lang later sila. Ay, okay po. Sige. Hi, Riri! Ang ganda ng quality, baby. Kinikilig ako. Nandito na si Inigo. Hi, Inigo! Pag gaming live ako, sige. Meron ako dito nakita, ano siya, ano lang, time lang. Pero kasi, ay, Inigo, ano ko to? 7 months. 7 months na trabaho. Sarap. Wait lang guys. Patugtog ko lang saglit. One flower, one hour. Ganon. Oo nga, Inigo. Ikaw si Yugen, di ba? Di ba, Arch? O, di ba? So, hindi ako naglalaro. Tinatry ko kasi i-connect yung TFT sa ano. Nakita ko lang na. Tinatry kong i-connect yung TFT sa laptop. Always have me. Wait lang.
I know why he wrote them now that you're standing right here. Oh, one night I was bored in bed and stalked you on the internet. It's feminine intuition, 'cause I always had a vision of us standing like this, all pressed up in the bathroom line. You looking like an angel on the walls of Versailles, the most alive I've ever been. Kiss me and I might drop dead. And I feel like I might throw up. Left hook, right punch to the gut. You're so pretty, boy. I'm paranoid. I made you up. Yeah, I'd love it if you walked me home. If you promise we can chewing gum and a bunch of stuff I'd like to know. Like, have you ever been to Japan or taken that Eurostar to France? I've been dropping hints all night that I'd love it if you held my hand. Goddamn. And then maybe we could make out. Close off and fall to the ground. Let's go steady and let's go out and tell the whole damn world how one night I was born in bed and stalked you on the internet. It's feminine intuition, 'cause I always had a vision of us standing like this, all pressed up in the back room line. You looking like an angel on the walls of Versailles. The most alive I've ever been, but kiss me in the night. Pisces and a Gemini, but I think we might go really nice together if you let me stay the night. Well, I think I might just have to stay forever. Pisces and a Gemini, but I think we might go really nice together if you let me stay the night. Well, I think I might just have to stay forever. One night I was bored in bed and stalked you on the internet. It's feminine intuition, 'cause I always had a vision of us standing like this, all pressed up in the bathroom light. You looking like an angel on the walls of Versailles. The most alive I've ever been, but kiss me and I might. Kiss me and I might. Kiss me and I might drop dead.
Guys, may papakita ko sa inyo, pero may goal tayo. Goal! Thank you so much po sa pag-follow. May goal tayo, 10K tops. 10K hearts. Or, ano ba? Or, tops nga lang kuya eh. 10K tops nga lang eh. Wala nga gift eh. Or super fun goal. Joke lang.
Live studio yan.
Live studio. Kaya lang hindi ko maano yung ang ganda quality.
Maganda.
Yippee yippee. Hi, Jester! Hi, Jester! Nandito si Jester. Uy, miss ko na kayo. Banding na ulit. May papakita ko pag naka 10K, ano tayo, 10K taps. Or, super fun goal. Akala nyo marunong na ako mambudol. Ano siya? Content. Ay, parang bilis
Ulit.
Content Nakapag-SF. Nakapag-SF ka na ba? Hinihintay ko nga mag-10 eh. Para mag-SF na ako. Kasi pag SF ako, chikahan tayo. May spill ako sa inyo. Merch! Hello po! Bakit hindi pa kayo natutulog? Kim Sejong. Mama, kamukha ko daw si Sejong, mama. Cheers! Oo, mambabacksaw tayo sa SF. Gusto niyo yun? Ay! Kaya ba si Jong-un? Wait lang, asan na yung patagtag natin? Sige hintayin ko lang mag 10K tops. 10K tops lang hinihingi ko, guys. Kasi hindi naman siya ganun parang, wow factor, ganun. Nagpakulay ka, hindi po, ano lang po yan, sa ilaw lang po siguro. Kapag sa, ilaw na iba. Ganyan siya. Kitang-kita yung pimple ko. Pa-request, complicated. Sige. Wait lang. Search natin. So, pag natutunan ko nga yung sinasabi ni Kuya Roms, ilalagay ko yun agad. Ayan.
Life's like this. That's the way it is. Cause life's like this. That's the way it is.
Chill out, what you yelling for? Lay back, it's all been done before. And if you could only let it be, you would see I like you the way you are. When we're driving in your car and you're talking to me one-on-one, but you become somebody else around everyone else. You're watching your back like you can't relax. You're trying to be cool, you look like a fool to me. Tell me what had to go and make things so complicated. I see the way you're acting like you're somebody else gets me frustrated. Life's like this, you fall and you crawl and you break and you take what you get and you turn it into honesty. Promise me I'm never gonna find you faking. No. You come
4,000
over
na tayo, guys.
unannounced,
4,000.
dressed up
6K.
like you're something
6K
else.
pa.
Where you are and where it's at, you see, you're making me laugh out when you strike your pose. Take off all your preppy clothes. You know
It's not a choice
you're
for
not
preppy, ano ba?
fooling anyone when you become somebody else. Around everyone else, you're watching your back like you can't relax. You're trying to be cool, you look like a fool to me. Tell me what had to go and make things so complicated. I see the way you're acting like you're somebody else gets me frustrated. Life's like this, you fall and you crawl and you break and you take what you get and you turn it into honesty. Promise me I'm never gonna find you faking. No. Chill out, what you yelling for? Lay back, it's all been done before. And if you could only let it be, you will see somebody else around everyone else. You're watching your back like you can't relax. You're trying to be cool, you look like a fool to me. Tell me what it had to go and make things so complicated. I see the way you're acting like you're somebody else gets me frustrated. Life's like this, you fall and you crawl and you break and you take what you get and you turn it into honesty. Promise me I'm never gonna find you faking. No, what it had to go and make things so complicated. I see the way you're acting like you're somebody else gets me frustrated. Life's like this, you fall and you crawl and you break and you take what you get and you turn it into honesty. Promise me I'm never gonna find you faking. No.
Paano to? I don't know how to do this, guys. Wait lang.
He was a boy, she was a girl. Can I make it any more obvious? He was a punk, she did ballet. What more can I say?
Bakit ka pala
He wanted her, she'd never tell.
Tulong.
Secretly she wanted him as well. And all of the friends
Hindi ko ma-split screen. Hindi pala po pwede ang ano. Hindi pala po pwede ang tawag doon? Split screen kapag studio live. Pauwi ka pa lang, Dodong. Uy, mag-iingat ka, Dodong, ha? Add source bis. Ay. O sige, add source and then. Hi, Jeremy. How are you? Add source and then. Ang meron lang kasi sa Mac is camera, display capture window, capture image, text, link, video. Yung music sana. Window. And then, after window, oh, I see. Ay, oh, no. Oh, no. Honor. Wait lang ha. Ayusin ko lang kung paano to. What's capture cursor? Ano? So, hindi. Ba't gising ka pa? Hindi po ako makatulog eh. Sa sobrang saya. Ayan, try natin.
Too bad that you couldn't see. I see the man that boy could be. There is more than meets the eye. I see the soul that is inside. He's just a boy, and I'm just a girl. Can I make it any more obvious? We are in love. Haven't you heard how we rock each other's world? I'm with the skater boy. I said see you later, boy. I'll be backstage after the show. I'll be at a studio singing the song we wrote about the girl you used to know. I'm with the skater boy. I said see you later, boy. I'll be backstage after the show. I'll be at a studio singing the song we wrote about the girl you used to know.
Wait lang. Wait lang guys ah. Paano nga to? Tignan nyo guys. How, teka na ba? Wait ko lang. Wait lang ha. Selosa. Talaga ba? Ganun ba yung Dodong? Sige. 25 minutes. So, eto, 36 minutes na siya. Pwede ko i-end. Tapos relive tayo. Relive tayo, guys. Sabi ni Dodong po, 25 minutes daw. Using live studio. Ay, 10K na pala. O sige, wait lang. Magre-relive ako. Tapos sa relive, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung yung video. Wala lang, nakakatawa kasi kung ano pinagagawa ko. Sige, wait lang po. Relive in 3, 2, 1.
Break ka. Umuwi. Hindi ka lang. Oh, go pixel. Uy, kumuwi dito ka lang. Quit out yung isa nating kasama mo. Okay? Yung, wala ko nag-quit eh. Pipiling ko makapatay ko na to anytime. Hindi na lang ata ang buhay na ito. Dito sila. Hindi nakag-grind.
Babawi na ako, Kuya Roms. Kasi alam niyo naman, wait lang. Parang more ba yung ni-request ni Cryptos? What was that again? Kay Dodong yung Paramore. Ano yung kay Cryptos? Nalimot ko din. Sorry ah. Ouchie. Wala lang, Kuya Rom. Sa kakatawa lang na na video. About sa laptop. Nakakatawa lang. Wala nung pinagagawa ko kasi. Ignorance. Ay, ba't wala? Hindi siya shopping vlog. Ano lang? TikTok reel lang, ganun. Wala ata dito yun. Ba't wala? Hindi ko ma-search. Hawak mo ang beat. O sige, hawak mo ang beat. Hawak mo ang beat. Hawak mo ang beat, hawak mo ang beat, hawak mo ang beat. Kapanibago ba? Kahit ako na ba?
DJ Flags on the move. Tonight ikaw ang reyna ng sayaw. Pagpasok mo pa lang DJ, patunogin mo.
Ito ba yun?
Na ikaw ang reyna ng sayaw. DJ, patunogin mo. Tonight ikaw ang reyna ng sayaw. Pagpasok mo pa lang, gumalaw ang gabi. Sa ilalim ng ilaw, ikaw ang sinisigawi. Hakbang mo'y diretso, walang alinlangan. Sa bawat galaw mo, bagsak ang dahilan. Kumpas ng musika, hawak mo ang sandali. Isang tingin mo lang, ako'y bumibigay din. Wala nang salitang kailangan pa. Sayaw mo pa lang, sagot na sa lahat. Hawak mo ang beat, hawak mo naman, oo, pero tuloy pa rin. Lalo kang kumikinang sa gitna ng dilim. Sa bawat ikot mo, palakas ang bas. Parang sinasabi mo, sumabay ka na rin. Lumapit ka pa, huwag nang umatras. Sa sayaw ng gabi, ikaw ang lakas. Kapag hawak mo ang tutok sa kamay, lahat sumusunod sa galaw mong tunay. Hawak mo ang beat, hawak mo ang gabi. Sa bawat galaw mo ako'y nabibi. Hawak mo ang beat, huwag mong bibitawan. Hanggang sa huling tugtog ng sayawan. Clap, clap, taas kamay. Ikot-ikot, sabay-sabay. Clap, clap, galaw lang yan. DJ ulitin mo pa dyan. Clap, clap, taas kamay. Ikot-ikot, sabay-sabay. Clap, clap, galaw lang yan. DJ ulitin mo pa dyan. Kapag bumagsak ang huling patak, dito sa sahig, sabay tayong sasabog. Sa tunog ng disco, wala nang tanong. Ikaw ang reyna ng galaw ngayon. Hawak mo ang beat, hawak mo ang gabi. Sa bawat galaw mo ako'y nabibi. Hawak mo ang beat, huwag mong bibitawan. Hanggang sa huling tugtog ng sayawan. Hawak mo ang beat, sumayaw ka pa. Sa disco ng gabi, ikaw ang tala. Hawak mo ang beat dito sa pista. Ikaw ang tunog na hindi kukupas pa. Hawak mo ang beat, DJ. Huwag mo munang patayin. Hawak mo ang beat, DJ. Huwag mo munang patayin. Hawak mo ang beat.
Hawak mo
Hands
ang
up!
beat.
Huwag nang tumigil!
Guys, oh my gosh, bakit ganyan yung mga kanta? Papaantok nga tayo eh. Tapos, sige, sige. Request ni Dodo. Wait lang guys ah. Shadow to Star. Shadow to Star yun, diba? Kuya, gusto ko yung nakata nila.
Hiding in the dark, ang dilim ng paligid. I saw the ground, walang magkakitang inggit. Whispers in the air, sinong maglalakas loob. Dreams are buried deep, now we're breaking the glow. Nasa dilim ako noon, shadows whispered all alone. But the fire's in my bone, watch me rise and taking the throne. And now the stage is mine. Oh, can you feel the fire? I'm breaking all the lines, soaring higher and higher. Di na takot, di na magtatago. Ready na ako, mundo'y magbabago. Hear me now, no more echo. From shadow to star, di mo mapipigilan. Lahat ng ilaw sa akin lang nagniningning. From shadow to star, brighter than the sun. No chains can hold me, my moment has begun. I'm a spotlight hunter, shining stronger. Hindi na magtatago. Now the spotlight's mine to follow. Whoa, whoa. No fear, no blunder. Diretso sa bawat akbang, puso ko'y palaban. Kung nakinig ka lang sana, di ka nag-aabang. Diretso sa bawat akbang, puso ko'y palaban. Kung nakinig ka lang sana, di ka nag-aabang. Di thought I stay low, thought I lay low. Ngayon naka-rocket ship, tuloy-tuloy ang show. Eyes on me, spotlight me, my time has arrived. Ang liwanag ko eternal, never dim, never die. From ashes I rose, phoenix in my soul. Then my kingdom now in control. Bawat sugat, naging badge of honor, no retreat. Just conquer, I'm a fighter. Every bruise, every scar made me who I am so far. I'm a diamond born from the dark. From the dark. Di na takot, in time once turned gold they shine. Ang mundo ko ngayon mahimik. Hear my anthem, hear my rhyme. From shadow to star, di mo mapipigilan. Lahat ng ilaw sa akin ang nagniningning. From shadow to star, brighter than the sun. No chains can hold me, my moment has begun.
Ganda ng kanta nila, guys. Tsaka may vocal sila, ha. Like, legit. Bakit nga ba? Wait lang, si Kuya Roms. As I only exception, Dodong. O, sige. Next ko yan. Only... Where's that?
Kapag ako ay nagmahal, isa lamang at wala nang iba pa. Iaalay buong buhay, lumigaya ka lang, lahat ay gagawin. Tumingin ka man sa iba, magwawalang kibo na lang itong puso ko. Walang sumbat na maririnig, patak ng luha ko ang iniwang saksi. Bakit nga ba mahal kita? Kahit di pinapansin ng damdamin ko, di mo man ako mahal, ito pa rin ako nagmamahal ng tapat sa'yo. Bakit nga ba mahal kita? Kahit na may mahal ka mang iba, ba't baliw na baliw ako sa'yo? Hanggang kailan ako magtitiis? O bakit nga ba mahal kita? Ano man ang sabihin nila, pagtingin ko sa'yo'y di kailanman magmamali. Buong buhay paglilingkuran kita, di naghahangad ng anumang kapalit. Tumingin ka man sa iba, magwawalang kibo na lang itong puso ko. Walang sumbat na maririnig, patak ng luha ko ang iniwang saksi. Bakit nga ba mahal kita? Kahit di pinapansin ng damdamin ko, di mo man ako mahal, ito pa rin ako nagmamahal ng tapat sa'yo. Bakit nga ba mahal kita? Kahit na may mahal
Kuha kayo.
When I was younger, I saw my daddy cry and curse at the wind. He broke his own heart, and I watched as he tried to reassemble it. And my mama swore that she would never let herself forget. And that was the day that I promised I'd never sing of love if it does not exist. But darling, you are the only exception. 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 Well, maybe I know somewhere deep in my soul that love never lasts, and we've got to find other ways to make it alone or keep a straight face. And I've always lived like this, keeping a comfortable distance. And up until now, I had sworn to myself that I'm content with loneliness, because none of it was ever worth the risk. Well, you are the only exception. 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 I've got a tight grip on reality, but I can't let go of what's in front of me here. I know you're leaving in the morning when you wake up. Leave me with some kind of proof it's not a dream. You are the only exception. 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 You are the only exception.
Isang himala na lang kung mapapasakin ka. Parang panaginip, bakit ay aking kapiling? Huwag kang tumingin sa'kin, ako ay nahuhumalik. Ako ay nahuhumalik. Sa'yo, sa'yo, sa'yo. Tutulala na lang sa'yo. Napapapagal mo aking mundo. Nasisilayan ko na ang kinabukasan ko sa'yo. Imahinasyon pa rin ba to? Ika'y narito sa tabi ko. Parang panaginip, bakit ang aking kapiling? Huwag kang tumingin sa'kin, ako ay nahuhumalik. Ako ay nahuhumalik. Sa'yo. Paulit-ulit ka, tumambad ako sa isip. Paulit-ulit na lang, pinapanalangin ka. Maaari bang ang iyong nararamdaman? Tayo na lilipat na lang sabay. Bakit kay aking kapiling? Huwag kang tumingin sa'kin, ako ay nahuhumaling sa'yo. Ang tamis ng iyong labi, kabisado ko na. Ang oras ng iyong uwi, di na kailangan pa. Di na kailangan pa.
Bakit ka? Wait lang. Lagay ko lahat ng mga photos mo.
Indigo, indigo, anywhere you go, I go with you. Indigo, indigo, anywhere. I'm scared of midnight talking sober dates. You're here with me now when it's getting late again. And for some reason I don't mind. I don't wanna be delusional. I don't like myself. I don't have a lot of friends. Oh, what are you doing here? In my mind every day. I should go, but why am I staying? Am I falling in love again? I don't know where we're going. Don't want my heart to get broken again. Bye. I can't deny, I know you know. Is it just your eyes or I don't know the answer, but I want you to know that I'll trade every moment just to be with you. And this and this and this. Indigo, with you. Indigo, indigo. Anywhere you go, I go with you. Indigo, indigo. Anywhere you go, I got the feeling you might feel the same. Wrote a song again and it's kinda lame, 'cause I'm too shy to tell you. I don't know, I don't know, I don't know, I don't know. Do I want us to be more than friends, or let's just stay here? In my mind every day. I should go, but why am I staying? Am I falling in love again? I don't know where we're going. Don't want my heart to get broken again, but
ka bang lawan ng hangin? Pumupulong na para bang wala na nga.
Dinadamdam ko lang yung mga yung mga kanta. Thank you so much, guys. Susunod na song is yung Corsonada tsaka yung The One That Got Away. Hello po. Malungkot ba? Kilala niyo na pala talaga ako, no? Hello po. Gusto ko ulit mag-relive, guys, kasi 41 minutes na tayo. Di ba dapat 30 minutes yun, Dodong? Kala ko, para sa akin yung kabisado eh. Thank you, Dodong. So, ayun, mag-relive ulit tayo, guys. Because. See you again on my next live. Charot. Ito na, wait lang. Mayroon po si Kuya Ams. Papakita ko na talaga, guys. Promise. Ay! Ngayon na ba? God, ito lang yun eh. Video lang yun na eh. Yung sa ko lang to. Kita kaya? Hindi siya kita eh. Lalagay ko to sa sa isa kong account. Affiliate ko. Dang! Pwede, di ko lang sure kung po pwede din kasi guys. Mansanas kasi. Gastos ng gastos. Tapos, okay lang kasi color pink. Joke lang. Wait lang guys. End ko lang muna ha. End ko lang muna saglit. Tapos babalik ako. Love you all. See you there.
Hindi na talaga kakanta sa life ko.